Welcome back to the vlog. Today, the 42nd annual Dave Houston Open.
Milwaukee Bowl.
The two of us have a bye. Best 3 of 5, it's the first round. We got a first round bye. The top 12 made it to today. Peyton qualified 3rd. I qualified 4th. So we got first round buys. We will be bowling in the next round. It's going to be a best of 3. So first to 2. I will be bowling the winner of Zach Stone, Nick Bergaro. There's a bunch of other people bowling right now, but I'm sure you don't really care because this is my channel and you came to watch me bowl. So hopefully the day is not short and it's not a short vlog. And ideally we'd be bowling for a title. Alright.
Yeah.
Good name, Darren.
It was really good, that match. We followed the process.
Yep.
Controlled the things that I can control. I had the one hiccup, I missed the 10 pin. Last week at Team USA camp we went over breathing. And the coach we worked with said, make sure you finish the breath before you go. Didn't do that. So that's why I missed. Probably why I missed. Fortunately, my look was pretty good. I'm bowling pretty good, so.
Any ball changes in there?
Don't think so. I'm on the same ball. I'm just trying to gather information. So when I have the matches locked up, I'm looking at reactive, seeing how far left I can go. Just kind of where the lanes are at. Just gathering info so I can make better moves later in the day.
Good job.
Let's go, round of 4. Got him.
I'm always. They got Tang.
They couldn't stop me this time. Anyways, we got a lot of people to thank. We got the W. It was really cool. Big Sweaty always doing whatever he needs to do for me, and I appreciate him.
It was a good weekend.
One of my
helping out.
favorite guys out here. He bowled well too. Made top 8.
Yep.
Top 8. It's my uncle and cousin. They helped me out a lot. Big reason why I could do what I do up here. And then shout out to Pei. He, you know, he'll win one. Maybe he needs a different ball. Maybe he needs a different ball. But anyways, thank you to the Husteds.
I got crushed.
And they put on a great event here. 42 years. Next year will be the 43rd. So I'm looking forward to coming back next year and hopefully defending that title.
They all are your things.
We're feeling good. Mental game is very strong right now. That's really the biggest difference between this week and the rest. I mean, obviously, things have to go your way, but they happen to this week. So we're gonna keep moving forward, keep working on that mental game stuff, and I recommend you do too. See you in the next one.